To welcome all my media friends to our office for this special press meet. Uh, we have convened this press meet for a very special issue, which is very much dangerous for our district, especially Karbi Anglong. The issue is like, but before going to the issue, firstly, I would like to appreciate the government of Assam for the eviction process that has been carried out at Sonapur under Sonapur Revenue Circle uh, and of the tribal belt, uh, and we also hope that like the same process will be also carried out in Karbi Anglong in the PGR and VGR area as well. And I do hope this process will start soon. I hope the High Power Committee in the last meeting, they have brought out some uh, process which we expect to be implemented very soon. So, coming to the point, as we have seen, recent sporadic incidents against minorities in Bangladesh, uh, we have, and also violence for the past 1 year in Manipur. We have got reports that there are some uh, unknown people coming to Karbi Anglong and are now reported to be settling down in Singhason, Khonbamon areas and also in Difu area, especially in Panbari and Rongnihang too, and Khotkoti, and also in Langsolet Bolangfer area. In the recent past 3 4 days, we have also apprehended some immigrants from Bihar, Manipur, and also from other districts like Dhubri, who have been evicted in elsewhere or due to the violence. They are trying to settle down here. In the case of Bolangpur area, we have apprehended uh, four people from Bihar who have obtained a domicile certificate and IDs, fake IDs, I would say, fake domicile certificates and fake IDs being prepared and made in Karbi Anglong by some unknown persons, which we have already reported to the law enforcement agencies. And we have also got reports from Khotkoti areas and from Difu areas where we can see that some suspected people who have entered here from uh, Dhubri and Sonapur area where the eviction has happened. And talking about Singhasan and Khonbamon, we have got reports that like people from Manipur are entering and capturing our hills. So we, the Karbi Students Association, would like to apprise all the citizens of Karbi Anglong to be very much vigilant about such influx and report us as soon as possible if there is any suspicious movement inside Karbi Anglong. Now, the Karbi Students Association has decided to go for a visit to those areas, and with the help of the local people we would try to identify those illegal influx over here, and we will try to deport them as soon as possible. No, nevertheless, they are Indian citizens, but they are here in a motive to stay permanently out over here. So I also appeal the citizens of Karbi Anglong to do not facilitate all those suspected people in their places. We have got reports that in the area in Difu, uh, most of the local people have facilitated them in their land to settle down those people in lieu of money. So I request them to just vacate those people and not let all the suspected people without the verification. So we will be also talking with the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council day after tomorrow, and also the district commissioner after meeting with the council authority. Uh, we have also one another appeal to the authority of the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council to expedite the payment of the pending salaries of the teachers appointed to TET. Our students are facing problems, as well as our teachers are also facing a lots of hardships. And now, as most of some of our teachers have boycotted their classes, it will be a very great hamper for our students, as our half-yearly examinations are also approaching. And I assure all my teachers, dear teachers, to uh, call off their boycott so that we can walk tandemly, and we are there with you, and we will be approaching the authority again. This is not the first time, but we will be approaching the authority again, and we are very much serious, and this cannot be happen any longer. We cannot prolong this issue, because without pay our teachers cannot go to the school as well. But thinking of the of our future of the students, we also appeal at teachers to resume their classes, and then come to us. We will have a discussion again, and we will fight for you, and we assure you that you get paid at the earliest. And we would be demanding the authority, council authority, to clear the bills, to clear the payments of the teachers within the stipulated time of 1 month. Uh, so with that, we conclude our press meet. And if you have any questions, yeah. Lonely kepe ka tum halo. La lonely kepe ka tum le ra me thang le paching thu lo te. La tum do thai de to ka. Ase non bang ke jasmet pet bang la lonely a hem pu tum aphan amen list bang non nitum collection mo. And this is also very much illegal. Without the knowledge of the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, it's also very illegal to give lease to a person who is not from Karbi Anglong.
And then also for
Ah.
as you have said that 80, 90 years.
This is very illegal. See, arang litum han collection data collection lab lob de copy my action NG bang airport from lawfully tame aja tame because we have already had a conversation with our advocate.
So what